In this video, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts or YouTube Short videos on your iPhone. This is going to be an educational full guide tutorial video. So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open your YouTube, click on this plus icon, click on this ad, come on here and select the short you want to upload, right? So I'm going to use, let me say this for an example now. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off dark mode on deck screen. This video is only for educational purposes only, right? So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. I mean, like the time segment. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off dark mode. You can come on here and select the song you want to add to your video, right? There's a whole lot of song here. So once I've selected the song, this video is only for educational purposes. If you want to add text to the video, you can just type in "Thank God." Thank God. So you can also select the color of the text, right? So you can be able to select the color. You can also increase it. It can be big like this. So this is basically how you can do this. So you can as well. So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. So once you're done, just click on this next. I'm using this for an example now. Just click on the next. Wait for it to open up. So once that's opened up, you can come on here and add a caption, right? The title of the short. You can just type in educational video. Then you can come on here, make sure this, make sure it is in public, yeah. So or you can as well schedule this if you want. Then you're going to go back, you can select this if you want to do it. Then make sure this audience, make sure it is in this no, right? Then you can come on you can come on here as well. You can add this if this is necessary for you. So yes or no. So once you're done, you can be able to click on the short, on the upload short. You're going to be able to upload it here with your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I hope you all found this video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off. See you in the next video.